There are two easy ways to get started with GPU accelerated pandas using the open source library cuDF from NVIDIA Rapids, Google Colab, and pip install. The first method is Google Colab, and it is the easiest method to get started immediately. NVIDIA Rapids open source GPU acceleration for pandas is natively supported and pre-installed in Google Colab. We're going to go ahead and change the runtime to a T4 GPU here. You can use other GPUs if you'd like. Click connect. We can see the GPU usage right here. First thing we do before we start coding is to run the magic command load ext cuDF.pandas. Now we import pandas as we normally would. Import pandas as PD. Now to verify that we're using NVIDIA Rapids GPU accelerated pandas, we can look at the output of the module and verify that we see fast equals cuDF. To use the pip install method, we first need to know what is our version of CUDA that we have on our machine. We can go ahead and do that with this command right here, NVIDIA-SMI, and we can see that our CUDA version is 12.4 or 12. Now that we know our CUDA version, we'll go to rapids.ai, go to the top menu, choose install, and we have this tool that makes it easy. So I'm going to go with stable. I'm going to go with pip for my method. You can also do Docker container or conda. This is where we need to know CUDA 12. I'll go with standard. Actually, I'll go with choose specific packages. I'm going to go with cuDF. You can add other things if you need, but I'll stick to cuDF. This is the command. I'll click copy command and go back to my notebook. Back in my notebook, I'll go ahead and paste that command and run it. Depending on your environment, that may take more or less time. I'll go ahead and delete that. And now we can verify whether or not it's installed properly. So I'll go ahead and run the magic command load ext cuDF.pandas. You must always do this before you import pandas. So now I'll do import pandas as PD as normal, and I'll look at the output and I can see this fast equals cuDF. Now we know that Rapids accelerated pandas is installed, and we can keep coding as normal or copy and paste your pre-existing code so long as you run that magic command before your code. Click here to check out even more full-length tutorials on NVIDIA Rapids.